Good morning, students of standard 6. Welcome in day 10. I was in chapter 10, motion and measurement of distance in previous class in day 9. Okay, and at that class I have solved some objective questions, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks and true false. Okay, today I will continue from some questions like short answer questions and match the following. Okay, so let us see match the following. See question D, match the following. Okay, one option is vehicles moving on the road. That means I have told you that vehicles moving on the road, that means it is a straight path, and in a straight path it is an example of translatory motion or linear motion. That means your option is B. Now second, objects moving in a circle. Object moving in a circle is an example of circular path. Okay, or circular motion. Third, our heartbeats. Our heartbeats is an example of non-periodic motion. That means option is A. Fourth, distance between the two cities. This is a large distance, so it can be measured by kilometers, in kilometers. Okay, your option is F. Measurement with an inch tape. You can measure by inch tape, and a scale is an actual measurement. Option is C. And last one is measurement of a piece of cloth. It is a small distance, that means it can be measured in meter or centimeter. That means your option is E. Okay, now let us see short answer questions. Question E is very short answer type questions, and question number 1 is give 2 examples of each of the following motions. Linear motion, that means you will give 2 examples of linear motion. One example is the motion of a car in a straight road. Okay, second example is a stone thrown downwards from a height. Okay, now circular motion. The motion of a cycle in a circular path. Okay, and second example, the motion of earth around the sun. Okay, this is the example of circular motion. Now oscillatory motion, that means vibratory motion. The motion of pendulum, the motion of a string in guitar. Okay, now periodic motion. The motion of pendulum is also an example of periodic motion. The motion of pendulum. Second example is the motion of hand in wall clock. Okay, is an example of periodic motion. Okay, now see question number 2. See question number 2. Name the SI unit of length. You know, SI unit of length is meter m. Okay, Name the two common devices used for measuring length. I have discussed two instruments. First instrument is a scale and second one is inch tape. Okay, these two devices used for measuring length. What is the SI unit known in French? SI unit is known in French. System is for system. SYSTEME. Spelling is different. System. International. I for international. D unites. Okay. System International D unites. Okay. Now let us see short answer type question. Now question F, short answer type questions. Okay. And question 1 is define a stationary object and give examples. A stationary object means you will define just the object which are at rest. Okay. So see, let us see a stationary object. The object which do not change their position with time with respect to their surroundings are called stationary objects. Okay. As for example, buildings, electric poles, walls of a room, etc. Second question is define a standard units. Let us see a standard unit. The standard measure that has some definite quantity that remains the same under all conditions is called a standard unit. Okay. Now let us see question number 3. Now see question number 3. What do you mean by SI units? Give examples of some unit. Okay. SI units means International System of Units. And how many units? There are 7 standard units. As for example, length meter, mass kg, time second, current ampere, etc. Okay. These are the examples of standard unit, SI unit. Okay. Now question number 4. Can a body undergo more than one motion at the same time? Yes, a body can go more than one motion at the same time. As for example, motion of a bicycle in a straight road consists of linear motion as well as circular motion. Okay. A ball rolling on the ground consists of rectilinear motion and rotational motion. Okay, etc. Now let us see question number 5. See question number 5. What does the measurement consist of? The measurement consists of two things I have taught. One is the number describing the numerical value of the measure. Second is the unit in which the quantity is measured. Okay, that means measurement consists of two things. 5 meter. That means first one is numerical value and second is SI unit. Okay. Now see, could you be in a state of motion and at the same time at rest with respect to the different object around you? Give an example to show this. Okay. I have taught in topic rest and motion. Any object should be rest and in motion at the same time when it will compare with surroundings. Okay. Yes, we can be in a state of motion and at the same time at rest with respect to the different object around us. As for example, the whiteboard of the classroom is at rest with compared to the classroom wall. Okay, whereas this whiteboard is in motion as compared to the motion of earth. Okay, so today I have solved all short answer questions. Okay, in this class I will solve long answer questions. Okay, now today's homework is to learn these questions. Today I have solved. Okay, this is your these questions you will learn at home. Okay, this is your homework. Thanks to all of you. Listen me. Have a nice day.